What am I doing? Galamsey. I'm working on this. I don't know how to explain it. Basically, helping radiology or radiologist doctors manage their schedules. As in, with the patients coming in and moving them through the stages so they get their radiology, they get their consultations done with the doctors. Pretty much that's it. So, I'm creating a new appointment, and the requirement is to make sure that the doctor is able to create multiple appointments at the same time for for the patient, right? So I have pretty much created the appointment. Last thing, this is the flow for creating the appointment. Yeah. We wanted it in multi-step, two steps. So I needed to differentiate that. So so right now I'm adding a facility. So this is a scenario where the doctor is trying to search for a facility, but then it's not found. So then they should be able to create that facility as part of the facilities that you're working with. Yeah, so that's pretty much where I am at right now.
And is it still like the expiration stage, or this is the final work?
So this is the final week because they're in a hurry. So I didn't. So the plan is to get to the finish line and then come back and come and do the polishing. It's not linear, right? So every project has the dynamics around it. Yes, and this dynamic is for me to, because the project is big. So the plan is to get to the end because exploration takes time. So get to the end, make sure that everything works end to end, and I can come back and then do the polishing because the experience will remain the same. It's just how it looks that I'll be playing with.
Okay, I'm all yours.
So what are you working on?
Trying to hit my milestone for Genie, complete the feature sets for the second version of the MVP, and then launch it. I might spend August testing it out with my group of beta testers and then launch it in September. So right now I'm running a build to create a production. I'm creating a production build and then I'll test it and maybe take some screenshots and share it with you. Yeah.
What's good, ladies and gentlemen? So I've been having like some production work for the past few days. So I have some BTS from those productions that I'm editing today. I have one from Holland. I was directing and producing some production for Holland. So yeah, Daleta. So I am working on the BTS for that for my YouTube channel, and then I am also working on another production. Was for Judah. He's a makeup artist in Ghana, and he was doing a reintroduction. So I was tasked with handling the consultation and everything for that. So I'm also editing my own BTS for that particular thing. You're hearing a lot of content from me because I am first and foremost a content creator. And so that's what I'm doing today. Hopefully, I can finish that and then go on to edit some fashion content that I shot. And then more content for Ivy Can Talk, where I talk about nuclear energy and whatnot. So yeah, that's what I am trying to work on today. Let's see what happens at the end of the day.
Hi, my name is Derrick, aka. Okay. So I'm working on a couple of stuff, but one that I need to put out as soon as possible is components. So what component does is it scrapes every website that you're on in your browser, and then it gives you various design tokens. So colors, typography, image assets, media. It's recently I've added video, so you can get any video depending on where the video is hidden, and then you can get buttons to it, all their specifications. You can download the fonts. Yeah, there's a whole lot. You should check it out. I started with, this was a suggestion from a designer from Twitter. His name is Leia. So but then with version 2, I needed to add a lot more things, a lot more features to it. So I started ideating with how I wanted version 2 to look like. I was ideating a sign-in flow so that they would be able to do more things. But then I realized a sign-in flow would be like an obstacle in front of the user. So what I settled on was these are some of the things I was ideating. I wanted to do catch-up, but
So what would this be for?
I wanted to do a dark mode, and then this features in a dark mode because this only works in a dark mode. Yeah, it doesn't work well in light, but it works well in darkness. Yeah, it's following scripture. So For free tools, they don't need to sign in. They don't need to sign in to use free tools. Right. So we have a toggle free tool. Then they see the website. They see all this as they currently do. And then there's a CTA here telling them that okay, they can check out the pro version. They can also toggle pro version here. I need them to do pro version, so I need to put it in their face as much as possible. This doesn't go too far away from the current flow. So the current flow, once you run the extension, it pops this out, similar things. And my thinking is once it comes to the pro, they can get some features like copy to Figma, where they can click on an element on the website, copy it, go to Figma, paste it, and it pastes the design and everything up to spec. Select, you can highlight and see okay what font is in a particular place, because right now typography fetches all the fonts on the site, but you don't know where we use X, where we use this. So select will just help you go to a particular font, click it, or a particular image, click it to download, or a particular whatever it's on the website. Yes. But this one, you are bringing all this to a proper UI. And then personalize, you can personalize any site to fit whatever. Since we have all these tokens, you can personalize the website to suit what you want to do. So let's say you have an idea to switch your portfolio to a certain way. You don't need to do it in code. You can come to your current portfolio, run personalize, and then move things around and see how it looks. But then when you're done, you can either copy the code or copy the Figma and then do copy to Figma and then move it to Figma and then do whatever you want. Or you can copy the code and however you want to use it.
When we can expect it?
Soon. It will come like a thief in the night. I'm hoping soon, but definitely before this quarter ends, we should have something. I want to bring some devs on board because I think I've reached my limits and I want to be working on multiple projects too. So I'll bring some devs on, then I'll handle more of the products and the product design. All right, beaucoup.
Yeah, so currently I'm working on the full journal. I have two. No, they're good. So I have two features that I want to push out: search and then edit and delete. So what I want to do with edit and delete, basically if you record a meal and you want to edit it, you can edit it. If you want to delete it, you can delete it. And if you want to search for something too, you can do that as well. I have the filter side live. I just need to do these two things and then I can call it a wrap. Yeah.
Can we see what you're working on right now?
Yeah. So this is the search that I'm building. So this is the design that I'm just trying to build up on. So when you this is the empty state. So you click here, the search icon here just brings you here.
Okay.
And then you start searching. And once you start searching, we show you results for it. Right, and then you can basically just click it to view that one.
Okay.
And then this I'll be working on next. So deleting. If you want to delete the log you've done for the whole card, you can just delete that.
Okay.
But then you can only edit for individual ones. So you have to go into
Inside.
Yeah.
Okay.
Let's see. Yeah. So if you come here, you can then hold to edit or delete.
Oh, okay.
And then basically edit will bring you here where you can edit and then save. So if you want to delete, you can just delete this. And then that's it.
Nice.
The rest was just
So
designs for when I was experimenting.
Development wise, where we do right now.
Yeah, so I'm currently here. Here, I've just done this one. So I've done this one here
Okay.
where
You can
Yeah.
search
but now I just need to do the results.
the result.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then once I'm done with that, I'll just move on to delete for this guy. And then I'll work on edit for the other guy, then it's a wrap.
Nice. When we can expect our
Before end of next month. Yeah, I want to hold myself accountable. So before end of next month, for sure.
And I knew was
Oh.
this. When you came with the +1.
I didn't come with I came alone. I came here alone. I was here alone.
You came here because maybe your +1 said, oh, go out. So you don't know that we came together. No, you don't give me case. For all you know, she was at the reception.
Oh no.
I guess
I was here alone, please. I was here alone.
Why you take that one?
I didn't come with the +1.
Personal project.
I didn't come here with the +1.
There's no, I don't see a problem there.
Please. What I go fit talk? What I go fit talk?